Welcome to your day 3 of the July Yoga Challenge. Today's sequence will lead you into frog pose. We are going to be working on releasing tension in the hips in our seated sequence. I hope you already did the warm-up sequence. I put the link in the description. If you're ready, let's begin. Separate your feet as wide as your hips, heels in, toes out. Gently squat all the way down. Lower your hips and relax and release. Keep your heels on the floor, but if you can't, place the folded blanket under your heels or fold your yoga mat. Then find a comfortable position where you can relax and start bringing your attention inwards, focusing on the breath. Connect your palms at your chest and spread the elbows wide in front of your legs. Gently resist your knees and pull the chest into your hands. Release the pose, hands back, sit down. Connect the soles of your feet together and drop your knees out to each side. Gently spread the knees and lift the chest up. Deep inhale. As you exhale, send the left leg forward, extend through the knee. Pull your right heel towards your pubic bone. Then fold forward. Hinge forward from your hips, not from your lower back. Pulling the heart up and forward, stretching the front of the body. And then to relax your neck fully. Connect to your breath. As we exhale, we go deeper into pose. Inhale, come up. Come to seated. Bring your right knee to your chest and bring your right knee down. Roll the calf out of the way so that you can fold your knee fully. Then bring the right heel next to your hip and connect your knees. If you lean to your left, place the folded blanket under your left sitting bone to elevate the hip and to distribute the weight evenly between both sitting bones. Then fold forward and find your breath. As you inhale, open the chest, get more air into your lungs, and as you exhale, come back to the center. Open up your knee out to your right and place the foot slightly out of the mat. Your thigh and your shin bone make a 90-degree angle. Stay in the pose, trying to send the right sitting bone down and bring the right inner thigh towards the floor. Try just to relax here and let the gravity do its work. On the exhalation, open to your right, twist. On the inhalation, bring the knee up and squeeze your heel towards your thigh. Press the right foot into the floor and hook your heel with your left hand. Gently bend to the side towards your left leg and come back. Open up. Reach your right arm up and over your head. You're trying to stretch and fold out to the side. Then on the inhalation, come back to center. Connect your palms. Exhale. Bring your foot forward. Connect your feet once again. Bound angle pose. Hands behind the hips, lift your chest, drop your knees out to the sides. And let's repeat the sequence on the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch your right leg forward, flex your foot towards your face. Then square your hips fully and pull your chest forward. Hinge at your hips as you exhale. Reach your hands forward and try to grab hold your foot or your shin. Extend through the elbows, lift your chest, deep inhale. As you exhale, fold your chest over your knee. Relax. Long inhale, come up. Exhale, bring the knee up and switch the position. Bringing the shin on the floor, roll the calf out of the way and connect your knees together. Squeeze your left heel towards the thigh. Distribute weight evenly between both sitting bones, and when you're ready, hinge forward. Stretch. Try to elongate your lower back. From there, pull the heart up and stretch equally through both sides. Exhale, come back to center. Open your knee to a 90 degree. Your shin bone and your thigh bone in 90-degree angle. Place your left hand onto your hip and gently relax down. Sitting bones on the floor, the inner left thigh relaxes and releases fully so that your thigh can reach the floor. Twist open to your left, exhale. And on the inhalation, lift your knee and squeeze your heel closer to your hip. Hold your foot or your shin with your right hand and stretch out over your right leg. Stretch, pull the knee out to the side and come back. Last time, stretch out to the side, reach your left arm up and over your head. Then pull your left shoulder back, lift your chest up towards the sky and squeeze your shoulder blades to lift the chest. Come back to center, feet together, bend your knees, cross your shins, place your hands forward lightly, lift the hips and come to your plank. Drop the knees down, tabletop position. Lift your right knee up and make a circle, out to your right and down. 2 more. Lift up, out to the side and exhale down. Engage the glutes and go slowly. Exhale. Bring the right knee out to the side and hold. Keep your knee bent. Relax. Left side. Start with inhale, knee back, out to the side and down. Knee to the back and up, out to the side. Go slowly, making sure that you engage in the legs, your glutes, your inner thighs. 1 more. Relax. Lift your left knee out to the side and hold 3. Lift it higher 2. A little bit more and 1. Wonderful. Sit back. Slide your hands forward. Child's pose. Drop your head. Full exhale. Roll up to seated. Hands forward. Tuck your toes under. Come onto your feet. Then lift your hips up. Forward fold, lift your chest and come all the way up to standing. Step forward and separate your feet wider than your hips, about 1 meter apart. Then gently fold forward. From there, press your feet into the floor and start sending the hips to your right and then to your left, bending the right knee and the left knee, stretching. Exhale, knees extended, fold forward. Bring more weight into the front of your feet and engage your legs. Lift the kneecaps, engage your thighs, and pull the sitting bones up towards the sky. Hands up, chest up. Short stance. Bend your knees, heels in, toes out. Bring your hands onto your inner thighs. As you pull your hips forward, draw your knees back. Open through the hips. Now drop your left shoulder down and switch sides. Drop your right shoulder down, twist. Come back to center, knees out to the sides, hands to your heart, hold. Engage fully. And relax, hands down, hips up. Connect your feet. Step out of the mat and come onto your knees. Now we are ready for our final pose, frog pose. Separate your knees out. Your thighs and your shin bones at 90-degree angle. Flex your feet. And when you're ready, walk your hands forward. And you can relax onto your elbows or drop your chest down and your forehead on the floor. It's okay that your hips are lifted. With each exhalation, start to relax deeply and slowly melt your hips towards the floor. It takes time to relax the muscles and go deeply. Follow your breath. 4 counts on the inhale, 4 counts on the exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Melt away all the stiffness, soreness, all the tension, relaxing fully. 5 breaths. When you're ready, let's come out of the pose. First, lift your chest, connect your feet together, and keep your knees open wide. Relax for a second. When you're ready, bring your knees together. We are going to finish our main sequence here. Don't forget to finish your practice with nice relaxation with our cool down sequence. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.